my channel. Today we're going to be making no-bake fruit cake. It's delicious and it takes only an hour, and that too because you have to refrigerate it. And it's super healthy because it's just made out of fruits and cream. So let's see what you need. You're going to need bread. That depends on how many fruits you're using. We're using 4 fruits. We have strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, and pineapple. We also have whipped cream and some sugar syrup. For the sugar syrup, we just used the pineapple syrup that we got out of the can. You can use the fruit syrup, or you can just add some sugar and water and add vanilla essence to make it taste better. I'm gonna put some jelly on it for the glaze and decorate it with some fresh fruit.
I will do it. I will. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It looks serious. Why look serious? Oh my gosh.
Hope you like this recipe. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you tried this recipe. Thank you. Bye. This is delicious. No one can tell you that this is made of bread. Surely apply the jelly or jam on it. It tastes so much better.